Hello students, today we are going to solve some word problems of multiplication. Let's start with sum number 1. A rim of paper contains 480 sheets. How many papers are there in 90 such rims? So here one rim is equal to 480 sheets are given and you have to find number of rims in 90 sheets. Students, remember, whenever we are given information of one thing and we have to find the answer for many things, then we do multiplication. So in this situation also, number of sheets in one rim is given and you have to find number of sheets in 90 rims. So you will multiply 480 by 90. Let's start writing the statement. Number of paper in one rim is equal to 480. So number of paper in 90 such rims will be 480 multiplied by 90. Students, there is an easy way to multiply the number with 0 at its ones place. You just have to multiply the remaining number and add the 0 to your answer. In this situation, you will multiply 48 into 9 and will add 2 zeros to your answer. So I have multiplied 48 into 9. So my answer is 432 and I have added 2 zeros to my answer. So my final answer is 43,200 papers are there in 90 such rims. Let's move to second sum. There are 18 pencils in a box. How many pencils are there in 215 such boxes? Here also in one box 18 pencils are given and you have to find number of pencils in 215 boxes. So we will multiply 215 by 18. Let's start writing the statement. Number of pencils in one box is equal to 18. So number of pencils in 215 boxes will be 215 multiplied by 18. Multiply both the numbers and you will get an answer 3870. So there are 3870 pencils in 215 boxes. So now let's solve third sum. How many hours are there in 365 days? To find numbers of hours in 365 days, you should know the numbers of hours in one day. So how many hours are in one day? 24 hours. So one day is equal to 24 hours. So 365 days is equal to how much? Here you will multiply 365 by 24. Let's start writing statement. There are 24 hours in one day. So number of hours in 365 days will be 365 into 24. You will multiply both the numbers and you will get an answer 8760. So there are 8760 hours in 365 days. So that's all for today. Thank you.